Welcome to this Tutor to You topic video that focuses on the issue of waste management in Birmingham. This is part of Paper 2, Unit A, Urban Issues and Challenges. Birmingham's waste management system is a collaborative effort between Birmingham City Council and Veolia. Birmingham City Council handles curbside collections with separate bins, grey lid for general waste, blue lid for recyclables, and the recent introduction of green lid bins for paper and card, which started in April 2025. Currently, food waste collection is weekly, while the rest of the waste collections have shifted to fortnightly to improve efficiency. The council is also responsible for installing, maintaining and emptying around 3,000 litter bins and dog waste bins throughout the city. Bins located outside shops are emptied daily or even more frequently if needed, while others are serviced as needed or upon request. Recycling stations like the one that you can see on the screen are found across the city centre. In partnership with Veolia, the council is aiming to reach a 40% recycling rate by the end of 2026, up from a current rate of around 27%. The aim is to reduce landfill reliance and align with the national sustainability goals. In Birmingham city centre, street cleansing, including graffiti removal, can take place 24 hours a day to accommodate the high footfall and to ensure cleanliness. Additionally, there is an enhanced cleaning programme in the centre, which includes jet washing pavements, deep cleaning areas, removing graffiti and chewing gum, and road sweeping to improve the streetscape, like you can see on the screen. However, there are several waste management challenges across Birmingham. Fly tipping is a growing problem across the city, as pictured on screen, and complaints have risen sharply across wards, especially linked to budget cuts and service disruptions. The council prosecutes offenders with fines of up to £50,000, and a dedicated enforcement team now partners with West Midlands Police to tackle large-scale illegal dumping. In addition, there is a problem with recycling contamination and low participation. Contamination of recycling bins with non-recyclable materials hinders the efficiency of recycling programmes in Birmingham. Common issues include not sorting things properly and not sorting recyclable materials and adding food waste to recycling bins. These problems are worse in blocks of apartments with communal bins where residents may lack clear guidance on proper recycling practices, or there are simply not enough facilities to sort waste materials properly. This leads to issues such as side waste, which is waste left beside the bins, and overflowing containers, which results in unsightly and unhygienic conditions. This is particularly a problem in apartment blocks, but also outside of shops and restaurants in the city centre. One of the biggest waste management issues in Birmingham is the industrial action by refuge workers, which has been ongoing since March 2025. This bin workers' strike in Birmingham has become a major flashpoint in the city's ongoing financial and public service crisis following the financial collapse of Birmingham City Council in 2023. Industrial action started in March 2025 by refuge collectors protesting against proposed changes to working conditions, job security and pay that are all part of the council's austerity measures. By the time the summer holidays had arrived, the strike had resulted in an estimated 18,000 to 21,000 tonnes of uncollected rubbish accumulating across the city, with overflowing bins and piles of rubbish sacks becoming a symbol of the dispute. You can see those pictured on the screen. Deprived inner city areas such as Sparkhill, Small Heath and Balsall Heath have been affected the most, with residents reporting rat infestations, fly tipping and public health concerns. In contrast, wealthier suburbs have experienced less disruption, highlighting the uneven impact of service breakdowns. The strike has exposed a deeper structural problem in Birmingham's waste management and finances, and negotiations between unions and the council so far have failed to produce a lasting resolution. However, even before the strike, the city was failing performance targets. Missed bin collections were nearly 4 times higher than the target, and fly tipping clearances within 7 days stood at about 74%, which is well below the goal of 95%. That concludes this Tutor to You topic video focusing on waste management in Birmingham. Thank you for watching.